We move on to the Knights of St. Patrick Day for the Grand Marshal, Thomas P. Reynolds. Thomas was born in the Bronx in 1940 and is the 8th of 9 children born to Peter Reynolds and Lily Byrne, who were immigrants to US in the 1900s. Tom's roots can be traced on his father's side to Rooski in County Leitrim and County Roscommon on his mother's side. Mr. Reynolds was appointed by Governor Rockefeller to the Empire State College Council. In addition, he was appointed as a board of director member of the Empire Blue Cross Shield from '77. Mr. Reynolds was recognised by the Who's Who publication as one of the outstanding business leaders and served on the President's Circle for the New York College of Podiatry Medicine. He's been involved with the Knights of St. Patrick for 20 years. He's married to Marilyn since 1960. They've raised 2 children, Thomas, Scott and Shannon, and is a grandfather of 7. Would you please welcome the Knights of St. Patrick's Day to the Grand Marshal,